Celestini Toni Cruz Gonzaga Soriano, born January 20, 1984, is a Filipino media personality, host, actress, businesswoman, singer, and vlogger. Gonzaga was the former lead host of ABS-CBN's long-running reality show Pinoy Big Brother 2005-2022. Her own YouTube channel, Toni Gonzaga Studio TGS, has over 7.5 million subscribers. Tatler magazine named her one of the most influential people in Asia in 2021 and 2022. On February 1, 2015, during her guesting on the Sunday talk show The Buzz, Gonzaga announced her engagement to director Paul Soriano, her boyfriend of 8 years. They got married on June 12, 2015, at p.m. at the United Methodist Church in her hometown of Taytay, Rizal. In February 2016, a source announced that the couple was expecting their first child, due in late 2016 or early 2017. Gonzaga herself confirmed the announcement on ASAP on April 17, 2016. Gonzaga gave birth to their first child, a son named Severiano Elliott, on September 30, 2016. Her second child, a daughter named Paulina Celestini, was born on August 11, 2023. On February 8, 2022, Gonzaga hosted the Uniteam Alliance's proclamation rally at the Philippine Arena and endorsed former Senator Bongbong Marcos in the 2022 presidential elections. Her endorsement attracted widespread media attention, as well as mixed responses from colleagues in the entertainment industry. Gonzaga has appeared in numerous film and television productions, primarily in romantic comedies and drama, throughout her career spanning over 2 decades. According to the online portal Box Office Mojo, Gonzaga's most commercially successful films include You Are the One 2006, My Amnesia Girl 2010, This Guy's in Love with You Mare 2012, Four Sisters and a Wedding 2013, Starting Over Again 2014, and You're My Boss 2015. As of 2024, her films have collectively grossed over $12 billion globally, making her one of the highest-grossing Filipino actors of all time. Gonzaga has been a recipient of 11 Box Office Entertainment Awards, Box Office Queen in 2015, 3 times as Princess of Philippine Movies, 3 times as Best Female TV Host and Female Concert Performer of the Year in 2012. She first gained recognition as an actress when she received a nomination for the Star Award for Best Comedy Actress for her performance in the sitcom Lago Ka, Isasambong Kita, 2003. Her increasing profile through her film and musical work have earned her the Box Office Entertainment Award for Most Promising Female Star in 2006. She was inducted into the Ali Awards Hall of Fame in 2015 for winning 3 times in the category Best Female MC 2007, 2013, and 2014. Gonzaga has been nominated for the FAMAS Award for Best Actress 3 consecutive times, 2014 to 2016, winning 1 for her performance in the romantic drama Starting Over Again. For her musical work, her 5th and 6th studio albums, All Me and Celestini, have earned her the Star Awards for Music for Female Pop Artist of the Year in 2011 and Album of the Year in 2015, respectively. As a presenter, Gonzaga has won 13 Star Awards for television, 5 times as Best Female TV Host, 3 times as Best Female Showbiz-Oriented Talk Show Host, 3 times as Best Reality Show Host, and twice as Best Talent Search Program Host. Toni Gonzaga started her showbiz career at 13 when she won the Metropop Star Search that aired via GMA in 1997. But her major breakthrough only happened 4 years later when her appearance in a soft drink commercial with Piolo Pascual boosted her popularity. Her career gained stronger momentum when she transferred to rival network ABS-CBN in 2005. Gonzaga got to host a Sunday variety show, ASAP, and reality series Pino Big Brother. In the succeeding years, Gonzaga would star in films, hold concerts and record albums via the network's label Star Records. In 2022, after 17 years as a Capamelia on CBN, Gonzaga transferred to Altiv, the free-to-air broadcast channel owned by Manny Villar. The channel is home to her new talk show, simply titled Toni. She has one of the biggest online followings, with over 6 million subscribers on YouTube and close to 8 million followers on Instagram, which she successfully monetized to become a top celebrity endorser. Did you know? Toni Gonzaga served as barangay kagawad for 1 term, following in the footsteps of her politician father, Carlito Bonoy Gonzaga, a local politician who has served as vice mayor of Toni. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 vlogs.